Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. In this video we are doing a deep conditioning treatment for softer type 4 natural hair. My name is Mashudu. Our first ingredient for this treatment is shea butter. I melted the shea butter in order to incorporate the powders that I'm using today. Shea butter is non-greasy, so it makes it an excellent moisturizer for the hair. It also softens dry, brittle hair and helps repair damaged ends. It contains vitamin A and E with essential fatty acids, which add moisture and shine to the hair. Rose petal powder, it is anti-inflammatory and is rich in antioxidants and antibacterial compounds as well as vitamin C. It soothes the scalp and skin, stimulates collagen production. It increases blood flow to the hair follicles, encourages hair growth, making hair stronger and reducing hair fall. Amla conditions the scalp, promotes healthy hair growth, reduces dandruff, and boosts volume. Avocado oil reduces dandruff, prevents breakage, detangles, and protects hair from damage. It moisturizes, repairs, and strengthens the hair. Studies have found that minerals found in avocado oil can help seal cuticle cells, which prevents hair from breaking. Castor oil lubricates the hair shaft, increasing flexibility and decreasing the chance of breakage. It conditions the scalp and is beneficial for those with dry, flaky skin. Bananas are rich in potassium, vitamins, and natural oils. They condition and moisturize the scalp and promote hair elasticity. This makes hair shinier and more manageable. Banana prevents dandruff and protects against split ends and breakage, smooths frizz, and repairs sun-damaged hair. Aloe vera gel contains proteolytic enzymes which repair dead skin cells on the scalp, conditions and leaves hair smooth and shiny, promotes hair growth, prevents itchy scalp, and reduces dandruff. I have a detailed video on aloe vera benefits which is linked in the description box down below. Honey is a humectant, which means it draws moisture from the atmosphere to the hair. It moisturizes dry hair and scalp, reduces breakage, restores shine, and improves the condition of natural hair. It reduces frizz and softens the hair. Tea tree essential oil helps prevent buildup of chemicals and dead skin. It keeps hair healthy and moisturized, which can help it grow at its normal rate and prevent it from falling out. It soothes the scalp and reduces dandruff and flaking. It prevents excess oil production, improves blood flow, and allows nutrients to reach the hair follicle. It balances the pH level of the scalp and stimulates hair growth. It prolongs the hair growth cycle to give you a head full of strong, healthy hair. It also thickens the hair. This is actually the first time I'm replacing a store-bought conditioner with banana. This treatment actually applied very well and absorbed very quickly into my hair. I didn't really expect this treatment to actually help me detangle my hair, but it's like the tangles just melted away with each application. I have softer hair at the back, and so it gets very tangled back there, and this treatment made it very easy to detangle and get through that section quickly than normal. I used 3 bananas in this treatment, and I only used half of the treatment in this video. The rest of the treatment I'm going to store away in the freezer. I had to use a conditioner to remove some of the powders that were stuck in my hair. However, I thoroughly enjoyed this treatment, and I will definitely recreate it soon. If you would like to recreate this treatment for softer natural hair, the easiest recipe would be to add honey to the banana, mash and mix to your desired consistency, and apply it to your hair. But don't forget to strain the mixture. It's that easy. My hair feels soft and moisturized. I really like this deep treatment. I'm going to cover my hair with a shower cap and leave this on for a few hours. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you try this, please do let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I will see you once again in my next one.